You're worth more than gold, so hold your head up high. It's your time to shine.
Hi beauties, welcome back for another video. So I'm back with yet another protective style. I really hope you guys are not getting tired of the protective style. I know I have been on it seriously like my last 3 styles, but I did give you guys a warning. I told you guys that I was about to get into my protective style phase, but yeah, this is my latest. I decided to do the passion twist. So unlike my other videos, my other 3 protective styles before this one, these are not crochet braids. These are individual spring twists. Okay, so here they are. They're super long, but once you let them go, they spring right back up. So yeah, this is my latest install. I'm gonna tell you guys what hair I used and how long it took. Then I'm gonna get into the video because I know some of you guys are a little impatient, but that's okay. We've all been there. Okay, so this is the hair that I am using. I was actually sent this hair for review by a company. Well, the hair is from X Trend. So yeah, I was sent this hair to review, and I used 3 of these. So I used 3 of these little bundles. They sent me 7, so I do have enough for another install. I'm not for sure how I'm going to do it, but this is it. Like I said, I used 2 of them. As you could tell, mine are elongated, which you will see in the video how I got them to be long, because this right here in half is 8 inches, so stretched out is 16 inches, but I wanted mine to be long. Like, these are so long, like past my butt. But my butt, B-U-T-T, butt, B-U-T, once it springs back up, you can't even tell it is that long. This style took me 6 hours to do, and yeah, I mean, you guys tell me how you like it. Me personally, I'm not a big fan of it. I'm not sure if I'm so used to, like, let me put this in here so it's not a lot of noise while I'm talking. Okay. So I'm not for sure if I'm used to like the crochet braids and, you know, the curly doos, that, you know, this one is not really my cup of tea, but I am going to wear it at least for 2 weeks. This is actually the 4th day, my 4th day, and I'm going to try to get 2 weeks out of it. I don't know, because I'm really not feeling it, but maybe it'll grow on me. It's taking a while if it is though, but yeah, I did add the jewels just to kind of
give it a spicy look. It's already kind of like a bohemian look, so I just added that just for extra spice. And yeah, if you are interested in how I got this look, keep on watching.
Hi beauties, so I'm going to hop right into the video. As you can see, I've already done about 4 of these twists. I know I look a hot mess. Don't judge me, just trust the process. Okay, so here is the hair that I'm going to be using. I was actually sent this hair, so I'm going to come back with the review and all of that good stuff of this hair. So anyway, this is the hair. This is how I make it longer. I take 2, matter of fact, let me give you a fresh piece so y'all can see how it looks before. Oh, okay, so here is the hair. Here's the hair now, right? So to make it longer, I'm going to combine these pieces. I'm going to combine them by first straightening out, like combing out the curls on the end of each twist. You could brush it out if you choose to, okay? After I do that, I'm going to combine the ends together. Because if I don't, it'll be really short, and I don't want them to be short. I mean, of course, they'll be longer stretch, but I wanted mine to be long. So, I put the 2 pieces together like this, like so. And then they'll start kind of going into itself like this, okay? Alrighty, so from here, I am going to, so let me tell you, I started the hair already, as you can see, and I tried to do like the curve part. It's supposed to be like this, but I'm not the best at it, but I'm still going to go with it anyway, and hopefully as I go along I'll get better. I've also sectioned out pieces just to make it easier with the parting space. Okay, so here is my second piece. I'm going to undo this quickly. Sometimes the camera shuts off and I don't know it, so hopefully everything is okay when my back is turned to you. Okay, so I'm going to take edge control Throughout this video, I will be using edge control, or throughout this install, I will be using edge control, water, and eco gel. Okay, so I'm going to put edge control on all sections, and then I'm going to twist that section like so. And this is just going to make it easier when I install. Okay, so from here I'm going to take my pieces, and this is the most basic way. I'm not going to start with the twist at the base, I'm going to start with the braid at the base, and this is the most basic way. I'm using my hair as the third piece as opposed to breaking my hair into 3 sections like I see a lot of people do. This is basic. I'm just going to put it around my hair like so. Okay, and begin to braid. I chose to do the braiding because I wanted it to be secure at the base. Okay, so now I'm not even going to braid down a 1/2 inch, and here is my hair. I'm just going to split that in half so my hair is on both sides to transition into the twist. Let me turn around so you guys can see. I always put a clip at the base of the hair, so hopefully in hopes of avoiding any type of slipping. And then I just continue to twist down. Now as I am twisting, I'm twisting my hair, like the hair in my hand, like I'm twisting like this and like this. I'm not just doing a regular twist, you guys. I'm actually doing a rope twist. And this hair is super long, and I probably won't be able to fit it. Look at that. And as I braid, it just gets longer, or as I twist. So I'm going to twist all the way down. Excuse my daughter down here, she has my conditioner open. Okay, I'm going to twist all the way down.
So once it gets down to the bottom, I just slowly wrap this piece right here. Just slowly wrap it around the other curl. I don't actually like twist it in, but I just kind of wrap it in. Okay? And there you go. Kind of creates that little curl action for you. Alright.
Okay, you guys, so that is it. Here is the hair. As you can see, it was really long. But like I said in the beginning, it springs back up to where it's like super short. But like I was telling you guys, I'm gonna try to wear it for at least 2 weeks. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Any questions, comments, concerns, leave them down below. I will see you in the next video.